just open Photoshop, you will look at something like this. So now, what should we do? First thing you can do is go ahead and open the image. You will find keyboard shortcuts in each of the menu options. Like for open command, it is Ctrl+O. The first step I want to give you is that if you want to get faster in Photoshop, the keyboard shortcut is really way to go. It allows you to go very fast. Most of the time you can use keyboard shortcuts. So let's hit the Ctrl+O for a new image. So here we go. It looks nice, right? Let's look at some keyboard shortcuts. It plays very important role. Each of the menu option has keyboard shortcuts. So go to the edit menu and choose keyboard shortcuts. Like in file menu, open as a smart object. If you hold Ctrl key, you may press any of the alphabetical keyboard shortcut key. You can change as well. Let's go to Preference Setup. In the General tab, you have option Beep when done, which adds beep sound, so uncheck this. Then in Interface tab, you have border option. This is not needed. In Workspace, keep Open Document as tabs to open multiple images in tabs. Like this, if we open an image, we get all the images open in the tab. Let's go and see other options. Then there is Tools, History Log. In File Handling tab, there is a Save in Background option. Keep this checked because when you are working in an image and Photoshop gets crashed, the Photoshop does get saved in the background, so you will not lose the information. You can change the time as well of the saving period. It is nothing but Photoshop recovery, so do not forget to check this on. In Performance, you can also change how much RAM Photoshop is going to use. Also in Graphic Processor setting, keep Use Graphic Processor check on. History states is how many times you may do undo as well. Then in Scratch Disk option, select the checkbox next to the scratch disk you want to use or clean the checkbox to remove it. Photoshop holds the scratch disk space as long as the application is open. Then you have units and rulers where you can change the units. That's it. Other things are not required. You have toolbar on the left and you get sub options on the top. The first thing to do is to choose color setting in the list. So go to Edit, select Color Settings. Here is the menu that appears. Let's immediately verify that Photoshop is using the correct ICC profile for the monitor that we have calibrated to display the right colors. To do this, you must have a look at the list called RGB in the working space and CMYK for printing.